If you're on the hunt for a supplement that packs a flavonoid punch, Nutricost Luteolin might just be your next go-to. Luteolin is a plant-based compound found in fruits, veggies, and herbs, known for its antioxidant properties and potential benefits for overall wellness. Now, instead of eating an entire farm's worth of produce, you can get a concentrated dose in an easy-to-take capsule. Nutricost keeps things simple and clean. This supplement is non-GMO, gluten-free, and made in a GMP-certified facility, meaning you're getting a product designed with quality in mind. I've felt the difference. The veggie capsules are easy to swallow, and since there are no unnecessary fillers, what you see is what you get. Of course, as with any supplement, it's always best to check with your healthcare professional before adding it to your routine. But if you're looking for a straightforward, high-quality luteolin supplement that delivers the good stuff without the fluff, Nutricost has you covered. We give it 2 thumbs up and maybe a little nod to the power of plants.